Hello everyone. In the field of industrial manufacturing, an efficient and accurate brazing process is crucial. Today, I want to introduce you to a welding tool, our automatic flame welding machine. It is designed for the evaporator and condenser welding. The design of the device is exquisite. The left and right rows are fitted with flame muzzles, and the height and size of the flame can be easily set through an advanced control system. At the same time, the conveyor belt movement speed can also be adjusted according to demand. All these key parameters can be set on the intuitive and convenient touch screen. The operation is simple and easy to understand, greatly improving the production efficiency. It is worth mentioning that we have also made great efforts in terms of security. The equipment is equipped with a comprehensive safety protection system, and each operation step is strictly regulated to ensure the safety of the operator. Next, let's directly hit the work site of the automatic flame welding machine through the video together and feel its powerful performance.